Established in 2008, Yenepoya University has two campuses, Mangalore and Bangalore. This review focuses on the Mangalore campus, which has received an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. 2017 established Yenepoya Institute of Arts, Science, Commerce and Management, a part of Yenepoya University, offers UG and PG programs. We'll specifically review the BCA course here. Let's start with placement, which has a rating of 3.2 stars. YIASCM has placed over 250 students across different industries. Recently, more than 60 recruiters, including Jindal, Tata Motors, Trigent, and HCL Tech, visited the campus for recruitment. The average salary was around 3 to 3.5 lakh per annum. Students appreciate the job opportunities provided by industry partners like IBM and TCS for roles such as cybersecurity analyst and data analyst. However, placement opportunities could improve as fewer students secured positions in top companies. When compared to Akash group of institutions, both established around similar years, the average salary is marginally lower at YIASCM. From the second year onwards, students are offered internships with a minimum stipend of 15,000 per month from companies including Slippy, Ola, Aero, Skippy, among others. The institute offers 5 BCA specializations in collaboration with industry partners like IBM and Microsoft. IBM offers BCA in cybersecurity and ethical hacking with a minor in digital forensics, among others. Meanwhile, Microsoft offers a BCA in artificial intelligence and machine learning with a minor in robotics along with one other course. Additionally, TCS Ion collaborates to offer 7 super specializations, including artificial intelligence, robotics, and the Internet of Things. The institute also offers a BCA honors in software product engineering, designed with Calvium. Admissions are based on merit with requirement of 55% in class 12th for other state boards, CBSE or ICSE. For Kerala State Board, boys need 65% and girls need 60% in 12th standard. The 3-year BCA program can be extended to 4 years with an optional honours year. The tuition fees ranges from 3.75 lakhs to 4.71 lakhs depending on industry partner associations. Hostel fees varies from 3.6 lakh to 5.4 lakh based on sharing options. Merit scholarships are available for students with 80% and above in their PUC qualifying exams. Moving on to infrastructure that has been rated 3.8 stars. YIASCM operates from the Kulur campus for BCA first and second year students due to high enrollment with plans to transition fully within 3 years. The eco-friendly campus features a 2.5-acre rainwater harvesting pond, spacious digitally enabled classrooms, a well-stocked library, and relevant labs. Wi-Fi is available throughout the campus. Separate hostels for boys and girls, sports facilities including a sports ground, indoor sports arena and gymnasium, and enhanced safety features with CCTV and round-the-clock security is provided. Moving on to faculty and curriculum rated 3.5 stars. The faculty members include MCA, MTech holders from prestigious institutions. The curriculum is dynamic, created with input from industry leaders from Amazon, Tata 1mg, CRED, and other, emphasizing hands-on learning through interactive lessons, mentorship, and capstone projects. The university's Innovative Learning Center also offers specialized programs. The pass percentage for exams is 75%. Moving on to campus life with a 2.8 star rating. The institute has around 5 active student clubs. However, students feel that there is room for improvement in campus events and fests. YIASCM is unranked, but Yenepoya University is currently ranked 95th by NIRF in 2024. For more details on Yenepoya Institute of Arts, Science, Commerce and Management, Yenepoya University, Mangalore, and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.